The 2012 Chevy Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, automatic climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, hands-free communication. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.